Welcome to our platform. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of depositing USDT into your account. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the safest exchange interface. Step 2. Click on the Wallet tab. Step 3. Within your wallet, click on Deposit/Withdrawal. Step 4. Now, click on USDT. Step 5. You will see a window with your deposit address. You can copy this address. Remember, the minimum accepted amount is 1 USDT, and this is a BEP20 wallet address. Important. Please send USDT tokens to this wallet carefully and double-check all transaction details, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Step 6. After confirming your details, proceed with the transaction. Please note that it may take between 10 minutes to 6 hours for the transaction to be updated. Once the transaction is successfully completed, you will receive an email notification. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited USDT into your account. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was helpful. Happy trading!